welcome back to Go-To Reviews, and today we have an exciting one from ToughBuilt, one of my favorite tool pouches, my most favorite utility knife, and some of the best knee pads on the market, and a slew of other tools that I can mention. Their levels, their hammers, and the list goes on. And no one can deny that their tools are well built, they're well designed, very innovative, very sleek, easy to use, aesthetically pleasing. And now they're entering the tool storage market with their StackTECH. Now, just looking at these boxes already is making me excited because they look very rugged, well designed. They look tough, no pun intended, but they look really, really good. Now, what are they offering? Now, they say that in 2023, which is this month, October, they're going to release 8 new products, which is a toolbox, a large toolbox, rolling toolbox, compact toolbox, organizer toolbox, compact low profile organizer, tote, and a crate. If you take a look at the locking mechanism, you see it's just a simple lever. You just pull it to the unlock position. It releases a latch mechanism to the top that seems to clip into a lip just on the inside of the stack pack. So there's a little indent, and then as you can clearly see, it re-engages it and it just springs back out. So it has to be spring loaded, and it goes back into the open position so that when you unlock it, it automatically is ready to be locked into the other box below. Now, is it innovative? I'll say yes to some extent, but it's basically a spring-loaded mechanism like the Milwaukee pack out and the mud box and other tool storage system like the Flex. So it's kind of innovative, but nonetheless, what's interesting too is that they have made the handle easy to remove with tool lock system. You just unclip it and remove it, and that's good out of the box. Now, what's interesting to me is that they are introducing so many new storage systems in such a short space of time, because in summer 2024 they're going to introduce a rolling drawer box. So the actual rolling box with a large drawer, I think that's so innovative. I think that's so exciting because now you don't have to remove the other boxes on top of your rolling box, which usually is your foundational box, and that will make life even easier. And also they have a transporter, which you just saw went across the screen very quickly, and they have systems now that where you could actually place in your garage, in your vehicle, so that you could stack your new system easily. Now, I haven't got my hands on it, but I'm really looking forward to the StackTECH. I don't know if ToughBuilt will send it out to me. I will really appreciate that because I think it's innovative. I think it's going to give the other tool storage companies a run for their money, and it's giving me the kind of vibe to make a transition. What do you think? Do you think that this is a viable option? Would you pass or would you dabble in it? Let's talk about it.